Bakit sobrang big deal ng SM City General Trias? Here's what we know so far sa Quarter 2 ng 2026. Tuloy-tuloy ang developments at construction ng SM City General Trias. At ang target opening, around late 2026 to early 2027. Ibig sabihin, malapit na talaga siya. Saan siya located? Located ito sa Open Canal Road, General Trias, Cavite. Malapit sa Calax exit kaya madaling bumiyahe papuntang Manila at nearby cities. Malapit din ito sa mga residential areas like Lancaster New City and Westwind Condominium. So bakit siya special? Because this is not just a typical mall. Ito ang magiging first major SM mall sa area at siya ang magiging central lifestyle hub ng General Trias. Isa rin ito sa pinakaaabangang lifestyle hubs sa Calabarzon. So what can you expect? For home buyers, this means property appreciation at mas mataas na demand sa area. Imagine having everyday convenience plus future value in one location. At hindi lang yan, katabi din nito ang mga developments na mas magpapalakas pa sa area. May unique logistic facility, ibig sabihin may trabaho at may economic activity. May Central Park at Adventure Park. Open spaces at lifestyle, hindi lang bahay, kundi experience. May commercial districts, businesses, restaurants, offices, mas buhay ang paligid. At may Calax Interchange, direct access to Manila and Laguna. Mas mabilis ang biyahe, mas valuable ang location. So, excited ka na ba? Kasi ako, sobrang excited na sa future ng General Trias Cavite. This is Miss Mary, your ka-dream home and an accredited real estate salesperson.